Hey guys, welcome to an episode of Because Exploring Outside Dadar Station. And we are going to see a couple of places in Dadar today, including the Shivaji Park and Chaitya and Dadar Beach. Hopefully, let's go. So I'm actually on my way towards the Shivaji Park, and it's like almost 10 to 15 minutes over there by walk. So let's go. What I need to do is actually reach to Nakshatra Mall, which is over there, right over there, and then we'll cross it. We'll be on our way towards Shivaji Park. So I'm at the main square, so I need to cross this intersection. Okay, a little bit of traffic, but no market as of now. It's all quiet. That backward. That's the way we came from. So let's keep moving ahead. So this place is kind of like famous for market, for clothing, especially women's clothing and accessories. Narrow roads and double parking. Yeah. Typical day in Mumbai. So this is market. Not too crowded because I don't know. You never know what happens in Mumbai. But I guess it's not to peak out. Okay, let's keep moving. Go free. We are almost to the next crossing. So that's the road that we need to cross, and yeah, we'll be a little closer to Shivaji Park. Let's go. Metro construction. There is going to be apparently a metro station over here. Cool. So crossed it and on my way. This is the light of Bharati Rani Cafe. I'll try a tea over here on my way back. And this is a beautiful square. So the reason I took this road was because of this place. That's Light of Bharat Cafe. Let's keep moving. This love architecture. The surrounding over here. And now we are almost the Shivaji Park. Just a sec. Okay, so you can see that's Chaitya Bhumi in the distance, and Shivaji Park is on to the right. So let's go. So that's the signboard, and we're on our way to the Shivaji Park. First of all, we'll do Shivaji Park tour, and then we'll go to Chaitya Bhumi. Let's go. So that's the way to Chaitya Bhumi, and we need to go this way, on to the right. Let's go to the Shivaji Park and try to cover at least first. Shivaji Park is a place like a lot of people have created a history. It has been part of Sachin Tendulkar's amazing cricket journey, and that place gives you a lot of cricketers, greatest cricketers in cricketing history. And then it has been part of pre-independence era revolution as well. So amazing. Almost there.